No.
Disconnected. Connected. User disconnected from your channel. Channel
QX
switch.
is
Wait, I need help.
QX. On the Spider Hill, toast CC if you
I'm gonna drop some spears,
As soon as I get up there, I'm gonna start throwing
I'm gonna have
TVs.
to loot fucking food, man, at this rate. Yeah, I'm gonna go loot some food.
I'm spearing him just to fucking get some...
I've got a... Oh my god, the cunt I killed had fucking fish.
all the way north on QX, so north of the hill. Keep tanking whoever that is.
Yeah.
Alright, hang on, who's this?
Switch it to that. Oh, wait.
Wait, Numex. See Numex? He's praying smite. Numex, he's praying fucking smite.
How far north are you?
Yeah.
Very far.
Yeah, come all the way north, guys.
Drag him south, if you can.
Yeah, it's alright, they're all spread, man. Like, it's easy as fuck to tank it when they're
Alright,
about.
fucking QX.
Just get a freeze,
TB.
boys. Freeze around anyone.
TB.
Freeze mad arrows right here inside our pile.
Trying.
They cleared.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Wait,
Who's that north? I'm frozen.
Nice.
Yep. TB and Blake, you got
I
TB and
fly.
Yeah, A flies TB.
TB. Keep chopping TB if you can.
Keep bolting in. Bolt in now. Bolt in. Don't worry about that guy east. Don't worry about Numex. Yeah, don't worry about him, Caudry. We want to fucking drop this guy, bro. Get a refreeze on him going south.
Trying.
Please get the freeze.
Yeah,
fucking got him.
Smite's off, guys. Everyone's got to be smiting right now. Everyone fucking smite.
Keep ranging.
Yeah, bolts in now. Keep bolting in. He's gonna get carried here.
How many of these idiots fucking pumped me?
This kid just gets smited.
I
Smarted.
think it's or something.
Yo, I think there's a kid south. Hold on. Yeah, there's some kid south.
Yeah, there's a kid south. He's his name QX.
No,
he's
tell
TB.
you.
Yeah, it's alright then. We'll go take a quick ending.
Oh my god, Shadow Mac was using mugfish.
Yeah, wait, come and fall in on me. We'll take a quick ending. 10 charge up cleared.
Falling.
Wait, who do I fall in on?
Not a man, I think.
Red shit.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Bread toasted, sorry.
Gouge cleared, dumb foreigners, have that typed. Have it typed, you know, to say it right now. 3, 2, 1, say it.
I fucking single-handedly fucking cleared those guns.
Alright, dip out and run to the ditch if you fall like me.
Yeah,
Don't sit around and get fucking ragged to death.
Lol, I didn't even have a glory.
I can give you a jewelry. Where are you?
So I've got
Ring of fucking
tank. What's it called?
Yeah, I'm going in a fucking barrage pile too on the hill.
Yeah,
and then when they realised I was the one that had them in the clump, they fucking followed me and I ran around.
Dude, yeah, they were sitting there tanking in a fucking clump with smite and I was just running in CGSing 30s on that cunt. But yeah, that's good that you came fast and shit. Like, I guarantee if it was half the other members that joined, they would have sat there like fucking getting on ancients and spending half an hour fucking gearing and shit.
Are we going back?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Yep.
They tried to spear me out for my fucking ancient stuff.
Yeah, no, they're just like the
I
white
plus one.
I got speared like 8 times.
They tried to spear me out for ancient stuff as well.
No, it's just the way they drop in piles, dude. Yeah. Because I got speared heaps and like they fucking did nothing because Tim froze them all and I was praying range.
Nah, on login when you
Oh yeah. Yeah, they'd be trying to speed you out without fucking overheads on.
Well, they were too slow, mate.
They TB'd me, so I was like, fuck this, I'm just gonna run north. So they can't tell either, motherfuckers.
Some retard in full mystic named I'm Invisible here.